Okay, so today we're changing these brakes on a Q Life, my wife's bike. Alright. And what we got here is some brake off to clean the brake dust towel for that, and then a cleaning towel to dry with. Okay. This one and this one are the two bolts you want to take out to get it off. Alright. And on this, they give you pins to put back in there, but this is a screw right here. You want to take that screw out to get the pads out, okay? Alright, so here's the back brakes of her bike. They're not that bad, but she's at 500, so we're going to change them every 5. I don't know if you can see it in there, but that mother's dirty in there. I'm going to take a towel to it to show you what I'm talking about. All that on there and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is put some of this brake off on there and wipe it down, and then let it dry, and then put it back together. Alright, so got the new brakes in there. The most difficult part about these are lining the pin back up. It's the most difficult part. But once you get them all lined back up and stuff, it's easy to get back in. Just getting that one first little initial and then slide back on like this. The bolts do matter. That's why I separated them for this one to go to here, and then that one to go to there. Alright? Then there's, on these, there's like 4 washers on here. 2 top, 2 on the bottom. Alright? And put it back on here. Alright, so here's the front ones. But I changed them real quick too. Got the back ones back on. Looking pretty and shit.